Okay, so let's have a look at question 14 from the 2024 Advanced Maths HSC. We're given two curves. We're told they intersect at 2 points via the diagram. We need to find the x-coordinates of the points of intersection, then find the area enclosed. All right, so for part A, we're going to set the functions equal to one another. So y equals x minus 1 squared, which is equal to 5 minus x squared. It's equal to y. So we've got these equal. Expand the bracket, so we get x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 5 minus x squared. This we now need to solve. Add x squared. So we have 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 5 minus 5. We get 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Factor the 2 in front of x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. This implies that the thing in the brackets is equal to 0. This is factorizable. So we should get bracket x. They need to multiply to make minus 2, add to make minus 1. That should be minus 2 and plus 1. X minus 2, x plus 1. This is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 2 and x equals minus 1. So these are the x coordinates of the point of intersection of the two curves. So this is part A. For part B, we now need to find the area bound between them. So this is going to be an integral. Now the negative x squared one, 5 minus x squared, that's the upper one. The other one is the lower one. So we need to do the area is equal to the integral between minus 1 and 2 of the negative exponential, which is 5 minus x squared, minus the positive one, which is x minus 1 squared dx. So we get the integral from minus 1 to 2. Expand this. This becomes the negative of x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we get minus x squared, so minus 2x squared. We've got minus 2x, that's plus 2x. We have 5 minus 1, that is plus 4 dx. So now we're just going to integrate. We end up with minus 2x cubed on 3 plus this just becomes 2x squared on 2, which is x squared, plus 4x. Evaluate from minus 1 up to 2. Now be careful with the minus 1 evaluation. So we do the 2 evaluation first. Minus 2 times 2 cubed on 3 plus 2 squared plus 4 times 2, well, that's 8. All minus 2 times minus 1 cubed on 3 plus minus 1 squared plus 4 times minus 1, which is minus 4. Now we want to simplify all of this into a single expression. So 2 cubed, this is 8. So we get minus 2 times 8 is minus 16. So we get minus 16 on 3. 2 squared, that's 4, plus 4, plus 8. The second one, these will all be negatives. So minus 1 cubed, that is minus 1. Minus 2 times minus 1, that's 2. So this is 2/3. Minus 1 squared is 1. That's plus 1, and then minus 4. And now I'm going to put these all over 3 to make this easy to group together. So we get minus 16/3. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 on 1, multiply numerator and denominator by 3, that's plus 36 on 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 3 is actually minus 9 on 3. So this is minus 12 on 3, minus 9 on 3. This becomes minus 7/3. So we have minus 16 plus 36, that's 20/3, minus 7/3. plus 7 thirds. This gives me 27 thirds units squared. So in this question, the main difficulty was the actual algebra. When you start evaluating the expression, you've got to be careful not to lose or gain a sign. The other thing you've got to be careful of right at the end here is you have to recognize 27 thirds is actually 9. So the way they'll want this worded, the way they'll want this written, because it can be written as a whole number, 27 thirds is mathematically right, but they will want this written as 9 units squared. And this is question 14.